So I'm at the dealer. The name is U Media, as you can see there. Now, I said before they sell every make and model, and I was mistaken, because as you can see from the signs, the maker signs, they sell Honda, Suzuki, Harley Davidson, Ducati, Kawasaki, Yamaha. Those are the brands that they sell here. They also sell plenty of used bikes, and most of the bikes are small bikes. They're like little commuter and learner machines. They don't seem to sell, just looking at the place, they don't have many big bikes here. Well, I'll tell you a little bit about when I bought my bike. It's quite noisy here, you might hear a lot of traffic going past. So when I bought my bike, I got a no deposit loan for 7 years. I did the maximum loan period, which was 7 years, and I did that because I wanted to have the cheapest possible monthly repayments. So I did a no deposit loan as well, which meant it was very easy and no money up front. And the loan company just very, very quickly and easily sorted it out. In fact, when I came here to look at, just to check the details of the bike, interestingly, I wasn't expecting to buy it there and then on a loan. I didn't expect it to be so quick and easy. So I have to say, credit to the, well, choice of words, but I compliment the staff and the company for making it very easy to buy a motorbike, I have to say. So now my bike's, that's the mechanic walking there, supposedly about to change the oil. So of course, as I mentioned before, because there's no dedicated Suzuki dealer, there are Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki dealers, but there are no dedicated Suzuki dealers. So whenever I've got any issues or problems, I need to come back here. I need to look into whether I can talk to Suzuki direct, like some sort of customer service centre somewhere. I need to check that out actually. But in order to keep the warranty valid, we have to do certain things, get the service book stamped by official dealers and stuff like that, which is a bit annoying when you can, because it costs a lot of money just to do something very simple, like have the very first oil change at 1,000 kilometres, which I've done now nearly 1,300 kilometres. But it's just annoying that we have to pay out such a lot of money when we could do it ourselves for a fraction of the cost. But those are the rules, unfortunately. The oil I've chosen, he gave me a choice. There were 3 types of oil. All of them were Motul, M-O-T-U-L, and I chose the highest grade on offer. I checked it out on the internet. It's very high grade synthetic oil. That's Motul 300V. Interestingly, when I did phone to book the appointment, he said to me, the salesman said to me, well, it's probably not, I think he was being a bit lazy, and you do get this in Japan sometimes, they just can't be bothered to do things. And he said, well, it's only done 1,000 kilometres, I don't think it's necessary to change the filter. And of course, when you're having the oil change, and you've got to have them both done at the same time, the oil and filter. So that was a bit of a strange one. And frankly, I find that a little worrying as to the, what kind of level of service are we getting over there in the workshop that we can't see. If you add that with the complaint I made about the condensation in the headlamp cluster, if there's no problem with the electrics, they're not willing to make a claim on the warranty for the headlamp glass. As you can see, blue sky, very blue sky, very dry, and it's gone dry now. Don't think I can see any clouds whatsoever. Oh, there's a little bit of a cloud over there, look. So it's, it's pleasantly warmish now in the middle of the day. It's cold evenings and early mornings. But of course, as I said before, the sun does, although the sun's not not too low in the sky in the middle of the day, but it does hang a bit lower in the sky, which is hazardous if it's straight ahead of us. So hopefully I'll get out today after this a bit later with the action camera and do another video. And the weather forecast is like this for the next few days, so I'm looking forward to getting out and doing a video hopefully this afternoon, a short one, and maybe out again on Saturday, something a bit longer. Haven't decided where I'm going yet. So this is just in Japan on a bike.